Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the concrete prerequisites and initiating the upload. First, confirm you have admin or editor access on the page and your video meets 16, 9 MP4/MOV specs under 4 GB. Then, open Creator Studio or Business Suite. This avoids random UI differences. Once done, select Create Post Video Upload. While the file transfers, add a clear title and description so Facebook can process thumbnails and captions correctly. Make sure you pause other heavy network activity now you handle the middle detailed steps that determine whether the upload succeeds. While the file is uploading, set audience and age or country restrictions because restrictive settings can block processing. Add captions and pick an uploaded or custom thumbnail to avoid auto-selection issues. Make sure HD is enabled and add tags and a category so distribution is consistent. If you plan a release, use Schedule Otherwise Publish Now. Monitor the processing bar and wait for 100% before touching the page elements. Finish by ensuring the video processes fully and plays on multiple devices. You publish only after the progress reads 100%, then verify playback on desktop and mobile to catch resolution or sound issues. If processing stalls, re-export with H.264, lower bitrate, or reduce resolution and retry. Clear your browser cache and attempt upload from a different browser or Creator Studio to rule out client issues. If problems persist, escalate via Business Manager support with your original file, timestamps, and upload logs so Facebook can investigate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.